Hi everybody, Lorraine here. Got another 6x6 inch tile and I've got some more bloom paint. This time I have mixed up a DecoArt Extreme Sheen Sapphire. This is a DecoArt Metallic Peacock Pearl. And this is a DecoArt Extreme Sheen Sky Blue Topaz. And I mixed up a Master's Touch Silver. So I'm going to see how we could do with that. This is my Glidden semi-gloss paint. I thinned it a little tiny bit with just a little bit. It might be 5% Floetrol and 5% water, if that much. And I'm going to start out, I think I go darker to lighter here with the Sapphire. And what was this? Peacock Pearl. It's kind of a metallic turquoise. Go in with the blue topaz. My silver. And to do just another drop of the Sapphire here. And I'm going to use my white cell creator on this one. Just going to pop a couple bubbles here. Try and get this up so you can see what I'm doing. Okay, looking pretty good. I'm going to let it settle back down. And then we'll give it a stretch. Still sticking in the middle there a little bit. back to the middle. And I think we'll go that way first. Sometimes it helps to give it a little help. A little bit more weight over here for it to pull down. It's okay, there's a little bit of pain in there. It's not going to hurt anything. It's just going to all come off. So pretty. Just going to bring it back to the center a little bit. Kind of hoping that I could get that one side down a little bit more. This right here. Doesn't quite want to go, but boy, there are some beautiful cells in there. Look at that. I am in love with this. You can see the silver, it's all shimmery. So all of these paints were metallics. But wow. Very, very cool, guys. Thanks for watching. I appreciate you coming to visit with me tonight. Let me know what you think of my blue bloom. Say that 3 times fast. There you go, guys. Thanks for visiting with me tonight, today, this morning, whatever time of day it is for you. I appreciate it. I'll see you next time. Bye.